Welcome back to the Morning Extra. Did you know that Frisch's has declared tomorrow National Tartar Sauce Day? And look, they have it in writing. With us to explain the celebration, we have Jason Vaughn, CEO of Frisch's. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Okay, so we were just talking about this proclamation that he has here. It is actually, yes, National Tartar Sauce Day, and this is on the national calendar. Can you hold this up so we can show everyone?
It is.
If you don't believe us, we have it on paper.
Well, we have two things, right?
Actually, tomorrow.
To the right is National Tartar Sauce Day on the national calendar. So we get 80,000 applications a year. They only pick a few thousand to approve each year, and Frisch's was one of them.
Okay.
And so we figured, why not Frisch's own National Tartar Sauce Day? And then the mayor of Cincinnati was kind enough to declare first Lent, right, first Friday of Lent is National Tartar Sauce Day, Frisch's National Tartar Sauce Day in Cincinnati.
And of course, why not celebrate with your own tartar sauce, right?
It is. You know what, Dave Frisch, our founder, put tartar sauce on a hamburger. Who no one ever did that before. And so that's where it all started. So we figured, you know what, if you can put tartar sauce on a hamburger, it's game on. You can put tartar sauce on anything.
Anything like this. Okay, so I did not know you could do this with tartar sauce, but you made some deviled eggs here, right?
You know what, I didn't, but our bloggers did.
Yes.
We have a great blogger community out there, and Amy, one of our bloggers, she made, like you said, deviled eggs. All you do is take the recipe like you normally do with deviled eggs. Instead of mayo, you put tartar sauce.
Ooh.
Simple and easy, right? Families are working hard. The next one is a pizza. So you simply ground your meat, right? Get your crust, brown it up, put red sauce on it. Once you have it cooked, you apply tartar sauce all over, and you have some little pop to your pizza.
And I'm sure that it adds like a little like twang to it. Like that flavor is probably amazing.
No, it's exactly right. Yeah, tartar sauce adds everything, all the spice that you need.
Okay, so guys, we have both of those recipes on our website, fox19now.com, so make sure you stop over at Frisch's. Are you guys doing anything special for National Tartar Sauce Day?
You know what? You can go online at frisch's.com. You can get one of our recipes. You can add our recipes. We also have coupons for our tartar sauce.
Oh, there you go. Make sure you go on there and get some. We'll have that all on our website, fox19now.com. Thanks so much for coming on this morning.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to grab a deviled egg in a couple of seconds. All right, still to come, Jeff has another look at your First Alert forecast as we take a live look.